How to buy Dogecoin in 5 steps. 1. Consider your investment amount. Invest with caution. Dogecoin is highly volatile, with an unlimited supply, making it susceptible to inflation. Only invest what you're prepared to lose. Assess financial risk. Take your overall financial situation, portfolio diversity, and risk tolerance into account. 2. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange. Select an exchange. Popular exchanges in India include CoinDCX, WazirX, and UnoCoin. Make sure your chosen exchange offers Dogecoin, Doge. Fees and usability. Compare transaction fees and ease of use across different platforms. 3. Select a payment option. Deposit money. Use a checking/savings account, wire transfer, or net banking to deposit funds. Transaction time. Deposits may take from 1 hour to 24 hours to complete. 4. Place your order. Search for Doge. Locate Dogecoin on the trading platform by searching for its ticker symbol Doge. Set investment amount. Choose the INR amount or the number of Doge to buy. Orders are processed instantly as cryptocurrency markets operate 24/7. 5. Choose your storage. Hot wallets. Online, suitable for convenience but can be more vulnerable to hacking. Cold wallets. Offline, more secure but pricier. Remember to keep track of your password, as access can be lost if you forget it.